Nganga senginga imbongo na manzaka ya tete mbanda na ngai mwanga kanga pungu mobali aina tete alinga ngai kasi ndenge nini baninga nazwa manzaka ya tete baninga balobi na ngai yoka luka kamarade ya tete ofuta ye mbongo lokola voka asala nyonso koluka
Hey, why? Those are the very, very heavy lyrics. Wow. Michel Boyibanda. The year is 1966. The song is called Valenta, Yoka. Oh, this song. You know, very many things happen in society, including cases where one is being forced to take extreme measures. So here is one such a case. And I'm about to tell you the lyrics, a song that was done by OK Jazz. It's a composition of, like I said, Michel Boyibanda. A very, very well done song. I did a similar version, but in Kiswahili. So today I am doing the English version, the English translation of this very, 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 very popular song.
Valenta nayebi mobali na kolinga jalinda mwasi na ye.
Ngai Valenta ata nayebi nyonso mobali na kolinga ajali na mwasi na ye. Valenta, even if I know very, 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 very well that the man that I am loving is actually in love with another woman, I cannot stop, I cannot leave him. I know very well that of course he's a married man or a man with another woman, but you know, I can't just leave him. I can't just stop loving him. Nayebi bolingo ejaliko salangai. I know that it is love that is making me to do all these kinds of things. I'm actually succumbing to the pressure of love. Noki na miboma pamba na mabanzo. That you know, at this rate I will quickly deteriorate. I will quickly kill myself with worries and thoughts. So mabanzo are actually thoughts or worries, as the case may be. Guy Valenta motindo na lingi mobali oyo. Valenta, the way I am loving this man, the way I love this man. Nakokiko banga teli kambweko yela ngai. I am not worried about the consequences, about whatever it is that might happen to me. You know, I don't care. I don't fear any consequences for loving this man. Ferno naebi akolinga kakangai. But you know, I also know that Ferno will love me. I know that this man will love just but me. Wow. So that is the level of confidence that she has. Tika nalanda movement ya bolingo. So let me follow the movement of love. I am actually responding to love and you know, the things that love command in this world. Ooh. That is Franco Lambo Lanzo Makedi. Ngai Valenta ata nayebi nyoso, even if I know very well. Okay, the song is also called ata nayebi. And then you also get that is also called Valenta yoka. So ata nayebi, which means even if I know, or Valenta yoka, actually it's the same name. I mean, two different names given to the same song. Ata nayebi mobali na kolinga ajali na mwasi naye. So this is a version of Lingala, so it's not saying azali, say ajali na mwasi naye. I know that the man that I love has his wife, has another woman. Nakoki kotikate, but you know I'm not leaving him, I'm not stopping. Nayebi bolingo ejali kosalanga. You know it is love that is pushing me to do all these things. Noki na mibo mapamba na mabanzo, or I will quickly die of thoughts, of worries. Noki na mibo mapamba na mabanzo. I'll kill myself with thoughts very fast. So noki is actually fast or quickly. Then the song transitions. Teresa nako kanela. Oh, you know, so Teresa, I am jealous, I am envious of you. So kokanela means that you are jealous, means that you are envious. It means that you do not feel so well for somebody else actually. Babotolinga mobali na lingaka. You know, they've taken away, they've snatched my man, they've taken away the man that I really love. Nakolukanganga. So I'll actually look for a witch doctor for that matter. Akangelanga pungu pona tete, so that he can make a special spell, a special concoction for me, so that I can do something against Tete. Nabwakanzela akoleka, so that I can pour it, or I can throw it on the path where she passes, where her rival passes. For what to happen? Nganga asenginga imbongo. So the witch doctor asked for money from me. So he wants payment, or he or she wants to be paid. So she's asked for money. But namanzaka ya tete mbandanangai. And you know what else the witch doctor wants? The nails of Tete, who is my rival. Oh, money and nails. Bongo akanga pungu. So that the witch doctor can now tie, can actually now make the spell for me, can now do his abracadabra, his magic for what to happen? Mobali aina Tete alingangai, so that the husband can hate Tete and love me. Oh. Kasindenge nini baninga. But friends, how what? Nazwa manzaka ya Tete. Kasindenge nini baninga nazwa manzaka ya Tete. But my friends, how will I get the nails of Tete? Surely. Well, of course, the money is not such a problem. But asking for the nails of my rival, where do I get those nails from? That is actually an uphill task. Baninga balobi nanga di yoka. But you know, my friends came and told me, listen. Luka kamarade ya Tete. Look for the best friend. Look for a friend of Tete. Ofuta embongo lokola avoka, and pay that friend of Tete the way you'd pay for a lawyer. So avoka is a lawyer. So the way you'd pay for a lawyer, look for that friend and pay them handsomely the way you'd pay for a lawyer to plead a case for you. asala nyonso koluka, so that they can do everything it takes to get the nails. Then the song gets into 7. Is that Verkis Kemangwana Mateta on sax? But I want to skip that part and go, to the other part where at least we still have lyrics. So it's a very short song, this one actually. Therese Nako Kanela, I am envious, I'm jealous of you, Therese. Abotolinga mobile na lingaka. She's taken away the man that I love. Nakolukanganga, I look for a witch doctor. Akangelanga pungu pona tete, so that he can make a concoction, he can make a spell against tete. Nabwakanzela koleka, so that I can throw it on the path, on the road where she passes. Nganga asenginga imbongo, but the witch doctor asked for money and namanzaka ya tete mbarananga, and the nails of tete, my rival, my co-wife, my competitor. Bongo akanga pungu, so that the witch doctor can now put together the spell or whatever concoction or potion that I'm supposed to receive from him or her, the witch doctor. Mobali aina tete alingangai, so that the husband, so that this man can actually hate on tete and love me. Kasi ndenga nini baninga, but how, my friends? How, my friends? Nazwa manzaka ya tete. How am I gonna get the nails of tete? Baninga balobi nanga di yoka. So my friends told me, listen. Luka kamarada tete, look for tete's friend. Ofuta embongo lokola avoka, and pay her the way you'd pay a lawyer, or for the services of a lawyer. Asala nyoso koluka. Let them do everything, whatever it takes to get you the nails. So that is the the story really of Valenta yoka, also called nayebi, even if I know it is a composition of Michel Boyibanda, and his health is not good. He's actually very frail. That is the news that I have gathered from the Democratic Republic of Congo. Quick recovery to senior Michel Boyibanda. And if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly hit the subscribe button, so that next time I post such content, you will be able to get it.
Nakokanela abotolinga mobali nalingaka nakolukanganga akangelanga pungu pona tete.